Hello बच्चों, I hope your study is going very well. So today we are going to discuss digestion in human beings. So you know very well that humans are holozoic in nutrition. Means they obtain their food, they ingest their food in a very specific manner, and for the digestion purpose they have a very special well organized system that is known as digestive system, and main part of digestive system is alimentary canal. So today we are going to discuss structure of alimentary canal. Okay, if we draw diagram of alimentary canal, first part of alimentary canal is buccal cavity, which opens into pharynx, and that pharynx opens into a long tubular structure known as esophagus. Okay, then this esophagus opens into a large sac-like structure known as stomach, and this stomach continues in first part of alimentary canal, that is duodenum. Okay, duodenum continues into jejunum, jejunum continues into ileum, and there is formation of then large intestine. Okay बच्चों, here you can see I am drawing large intestine. It opens into large sac-like structure known as rectum, and this rectum opens into anus. Okay, these are the structures of human alimentary canal. Now I am labeling buccal cavity. Okay, then pharynx, then esophagus, stomach, small intestine. Why I am drawing here, writing here, because here I have to draw important digestive glands. Okay, large intestine. Actually बच्चों, small intestine is larger in length in comparison to large intestine, but due to large lumen of large intestine it is known as large intestine, and due to narrow lumen small intestine is known as small intestine. ये आपकी small intestine इस तरीके से आप ड्रॉ कर देंगे और कंप्लीट हो जाएगा हमारा. ओके, दिस इज appendix, rectum, anus guarded by anal sphincter. ओके बच्चों, अब इसमें ये मेन ऑर्गन्स हो गए. अब डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स कौन कौन सी होंगी? फर्स्ट हियर आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रॉ liver, and here there will be pancreas. This is pancreatic duct and pancreas is located here. Okay बच्चों, digestive gland. From the digestive gland various secretions takes place. Okay, इसमें क्या ओपन हो रहा है आपका? ये ओपन हो रही है आपकी hepatic duct. I think so diagram is clear. And here various ducts, along with it there we have cystic duct and gallbladder. Okay, this is the diagram of alimentary canal. Now In alimentary canal, first part is buccal cavity and its opening is known as mouth. Okay. In buccal cavity, salivary gland is present and the salivary gland secretes saliva. This saliva contains a very special enzyme known as salivary amylase, and the salivary amylase digests the carbohydrates and convert into sugars or disaccharides in buccal cavity. So we can say digestion of carbohydrate starts and 30 to 40% digestion completes into buccal cavity. Now food runs into pharynx and esophagus by an action known as peristalsis. Keep this term in mind, peristalsis. Peristalsis is muscular contraction in the wall of alimentary canal for forward movement of food. So from buccal cavity via pharynx and esophagus, food comes into stomach. Okay, in stomach, three important secretions are present. First is HCl, hydrochloric acid, due to which medium of stomach is acidic medium. Okay, able to see? Second function of HCl, activates digestive enzymes. Okay, and third function is kills microorganisms. ओके, थ्री फंक्शंस ऑफ HCl. ये आपको दिमाग में रखने हैं. क्यों दिमाग में रखने हैं? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ HCl. तो देयर आर थ्री फंक्शंस ऑफ HCl. एसिडिक मीडियम प्रोवाइड करेगा, डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स को एक्टिवेट करेगा और साथ में करेगा माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म की किलिंग. ओके, सेकेंड सिक्रीशन इज, जिसे मैं दूसरे कलर से बनाती हूँ ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए, पेप्सिन. इट इज protein digesting enzyme. Digesting enzyme. Okay, protein digesting enzyme. So pepsin will work on protein. Pepsin actually secreted in inactive form in stomach. यहाँ pepsin secrete हो रहा है, किस फॉर्म में secrete हो रहा है? Inactive form में. Inactive form क्या है pepsin की? Pepsinogen. Okay, पेप्सिनोजन. और HCl की प्रेजेंस की वजह से ये कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा एक्टिव पेप्सिन में. ये कौन सा है? इनएक्टिव. और ये कैसा हो गया? एक्टिव. समझ में आ गया बच्चों? ओके. इसके अलावा थर्ड सिक्रीशन जो HCl स्टमक का है, दैट इज म्यूकस. MUCUS. म्यूकस. ओके, व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ म्यूकस? Mucus is sticky substance. Okay, and it forms a lining to the inner wall of stomach. तो हम यहाँ लाइनिंग बना देते हैं. स्टमक की इनर वॉल पर लाइनिंग बनाएगा ये इस तरीके से. ठीक है. एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ दिस लाइनिंग? दैट इट प्रिवेंट्स द इनर वॉल ऑफ स्टमक फ्रॉम द हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ HCl. यानी कि जो HCl यहाँ पड़ा हुआ है वो एसिडिक मीडियम बनाएगा और वो एसिडिक मीडियम इनर वॉल ऑफ स्टमक को हार्म ना पहुंचाए, उसके लिए क्या सिक्रीट होगा? म्यूकस. तो क्या फंक्शन लिख देंगे? प्रिवेंट्स द इनर वॉल ऑफ स्टमक. ओके बच्चों. देन food comes into first part of small intestine and this part is known as duodenum. Okay, it is the widest part of small intestine and it is C shaped. Okay, यहाँ मैं shape लिख देती हूँ. C shaped of duodenum and J shape of stomach. ओके बच्चों,